Guys, Rom Guruji here, and today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 apps for the month of October in 2020. But before we do that, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and the bell icon for all the notifications, and let's get started. So starting off, we have the Icon Pack Customizer app. The Icon Pack Customizer app is not your run-of-the-mill icon pack. Neither is it one of those false advertised icon pack customizer. This is a full-fledged icon pack customization suite. You can change the icon types, you can make your own icons, you can edit icon packs, you can mix and match different icon packs. It's all really cool. And the main reason why I like it, most of the features are available for free and so very easy to use. There's no lag, stutter, or bugs to be found. And even though it constantly tells you that the icon packs made in this icon pack customizer can mostly only be used with Smart Launcher, it can be used with other launchers too. Moving on, we have an app named TubeBuddy. So let's talk about this app. Even though the name might remind you of some apps historically not to be talked about, but this app is basically an app made for all the YouTubers out there who are struggling to get their videos out, who are struggling to make their video SEO proper. The TubeBuddy app helps you analyze your videos, edit them, also allows you to create custom thumbnails, allows you to check how many times it has been shared, etc. etc. You get so many stats, your life becomes way better as a YouTuber. Now, there are two ways to use this. One, as a plugin on Google Chrome, which I think is one of the best ways to use it if you edit and upload your videos on your computer, because it shows you all the keywords right there, shows you all the stats right there, shows your competition right there. It's amazing. But if you mostly use YouTube Studio from your phone, you can download that app, basically the TubeBuddy app, and it allows you to get the same stats on the go on your phone. It is really nice, really cool. Do give it a try, do give it a shot. Next one is the photo editor by Cyberlink. Now, this photo editor I thought was normal run-of-the-mill photo editors, but it is not. It can actually change the way your photos look so amazingly. Like your photos take a 180-degree turn. It can convert SDR photos into HDR photos. It can animate your photos. It can give various effects. It actually was able to add sky to a photo where the sky was not looking that great. It is an amazing app. I tell you, please give it a try. It's one of the coolest photo editing apps out there, though it might not be free. And most of the features are premium, but it's worth the money. It's genuinely one of the best editors out there. Albeit, it is a bit slow at times for processing, and when you make a video out of your photo, the processing compared to other apps is pretty slow. Now we're moving to a game, right? And the game is Monument Valley. Talking about the Monument Valley is a pretty old game, but now it's available for free. Earlier, when I had a phone that could not run Monument Valley, it was costly and it was paid basically, yeah. Now it's free and it's out there, and I can assure you it's one of those games that you will start engaging more and more with. It is a story of a princess who's revitalizing the old architecture of her heritage and is going from buildings and castles, changing them, solving puzzles. It's really, really cool. And the best part are those 3D models in the game, which are so beautiful. They look gorgeous. The puzzles are astoundingly fun to solve. They're not too difficult. It's fun, and you'll once you get the hang of it, it's easy to solve. But the way the architecture looks in the game, it's beautiful. Now coming to the last app, which is a personal favorite. It's called Tide. No, it's not an app of the cleaning detergent. That was a bad joke. But whatever. The Tide app is a meditation app. It's actually a guided meditation app. Now, a lot of the features of this app, the reading lists and the various narrations are actually paid. But the basic features which you will actually be using every day are free to use and really, really good quality. I mean, I use it on a daily basis for just 10 minutes, and trust me, it relieves so much stress. I assure you, use this app for 10 minutes and relieve your stress because it's the need of the day, especially with all the corona ruckus going on. And don't go out. Now, we've come to the end of our list. So if you did like the video and if you would like more of these apps and lists and tips and tricks, do comment down below. Tell me what suggestions you have for my next video when it comes to apps, or are there some cool apps that you have come across and would like me to review. That's all for this video, guys. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you again. This is Rom Guru.